Good afternoon. In this video, I want to tell you a method that many housewives are looking for. Because every housewife or owner sooner or later asks this question. How do you clean the joints between the tiles? In the bathroom, on the floor, in the corridor, in the hall? Because at first, when you do repairs, the joints are nice and clean, but over time they get darker and more stained. And you want to walk on the clean floor and look at the beauty. So I will tell you how to clean it easily and simply, without additional effort and, most importantly, without chemicals, with the tools that everyone has in their home and those who don't can buy them at the grocery store for a penny. Here you can see how well you can see that I have dirty joints between the tiles. At first they were light gray, and over time they turned black. So now we're going to wash a small section together. To do this, we will need a container of any kind, vinegar and citric acid. Then a spoon to pour and mix. But it's not necessary to have a brush of any kind. You can use your old one that you don't use anymore, or any brush. Pour an equal proportion of citric acid and vinegar into the bowl. For me, it's 1 tablespoon without a slide, and I also add vinegar. Stir it all together. It turns out to be a thick puree. Now I put it on the seams. That's it. I leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. 5 minutes have passed. We take a brush and start rubbing. It's good to rub, but you don't need to rub too hard. A light friction is enough, because it comes off well. So after we've brushed it, we wipe it dry. I first wipe it with toilet paper and then with a damp cloth. That's it. You can see it very well.